Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to make your savings work harder for you, then you've clicked on the right video. Today we're diving into the world of high-yield savings accounts, or HISAs, and why they might be a smart choice for your money, especially in today's economic climate. Let's get started. First off, let's talk about what exactly a high-yield savings account is. Unlike traditional savings accounts, which offer relatively low interest rates, high-yield savings accounts offer much higher rates, meaning more money in your pocket. For example, while a traditional savings account might offer an annual interest rate of 0.1%, a high-yield account could offer rates 20 times that or more. One of the biggest benefits of a high-yield savings account is, of course, the higher interest rate. This leads to compound interest, where not only your initial savings, but also the interest earned previously earns interest. Over time, this can significantly increase your savings without any additional effort on your part. However, there are some things to consider before opening a high-yield savings account. These include minimum balance requirements, possible fees, and ease of access to your funds. It's important to choose an account that fits your financial situation and goals. With interest rates gradually rising, high-yield savings accounts are becoming even more attractive. This graph shows how interest rates have changed over the past decade, influenced by various economic events. When choosing the right high-yield savings account, consider factors such as the interest rate, security of the bank, customer reviews, and additional services offered. Always do your homework and read the fine print to make sure you're making the best decision for your financial future. And that wraps up our guide to high-yield savings accounts. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful finance tips. Have any questions or experiences with high-yield savings accounts? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you.